Hello everyone. I'm trying to make a video for this that my son bought for me, Octastream Elite Max, and I set it up. It's very easy to put them back, put them together. And then I have this remote control that has a Netflix, YouTube, video on demand. Over here, but anyway, there's a setup, and let's go to Elite Live. Let me see, make sure it's on it. Okay, and you click OK. It's gonna spool so the TV can come up. That was a TV, Elite TV, and it has a bunch of. Well, this is two. Okay. Actually, this is the music on the music side. I'm going to show you later. But anyway, so we're going to go ahead and go to EPG. Okay, and then it has 5,500 channels. Okay. So right now this is on the music. I'm gonna put them all the way down to so you can see. You can see favorites and then all. It means all these channels. Okay, look at it. A&E, ABC, news. Anything you name it, it does have it. And it does a CNBC and all that. So lots of channels. You can put them on your favorite. Okay, so when you put favorite, I just have one bit, so you can add it. I love CNBC. You can add to your favorites. There's a network TV, which is networks, ABC. Let me show you. Yeah, these are the network CD, ABC, AMD. Then we have a regional locals, which is the Atlanta, Baltimore, Boston, Charlotte, Chicago, Cleveland. There's a bunch of. And then we have a sports network, any networks you want. It is, women's college basketball, and let's go down and you're gonna see sports, anything you need it. How much? It's a lot. So anyway, that's the sport channels, and then you go 24/7. That's Cleveland Show, Cobbs, James Bond. These are 24/7. We keep going. And then PPV events, boxing, any boxing events, anything you want, And then NBA. Again, Atlanta, Washington, anything going on. And then baseball, of course. Again, NFL, as you can see. NHL. And then this was the music. Right now it's gone. You see that right now? Country music. You can put maybe dance. See? It's nice. And again, you can go to video on demand. Okay. And this one has all kinds of movies. I just watched yesterday, the bee. Yeah, see, you recommend it, and then you can be a newest movies, and this movies, The Beekeeper. Yesterday I watched a good movie, TV series, and the setting, you know, you can do the settings, you know. So again, very nice and easy. Then let me see. Go back, come on. So we're gonna exit, and then you go back again, you know, Elite Replay. I mean, I don't have to do what that is. What happened to it? Yeah, there's nothing. And these are apps that I liked. I put my apps, you know, some of them might you pay, but I don't know. These are the ones I put on for myself and added to my TV. Okay. And then of course the setting is just for the internet and all that. Okay. So this is what it is. You know, it's very nice, very simple to use, and it comes with a box, a small box, and then, you know, the connections and all that. So